Hey everyone, and welcome back to Driveline, your go-to channel for honest car reviews, detailed breakdowns, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most beloved entry-level hatchbacks on Indian roads, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10. Known for unbeatable fuel efficiency, compact city-friendly design, and strong reliability, the Alto K10 has been a top choice for first-time buyers and budget-minded drivers for years. In this video, we'll explore what's new for the 2026 model, from design and performance to features, safety, and who it's best suited for. Checkered flag: the Alto K10 legacy, small car, big impact. The Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 has been a superstar in the compact hatchback segment, thanks to its practical personality and fuss-free ownership experience. Over the years, it has built a reputation for delivering excellent value with low maintenance costs and outstanding fuel economy. Qualities that matter most to everyday drivers. The 2026 Alto K10 continues this legacy, but with meaningful upgrades that keep it up to date in a rapidly evolving market. Whether you're new to driving or simply want an affordable and efficient daily commuter, the latest Alto K10 aims to impress. Artist palette: design and exterior, simple, smooth and contemporary. At first glance, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it embraces a clean and functional design that serves its purpose brilliantly. The front fascia gets a refreshed grille with sporty accents and compact LED headlamps that improve visibility during night driving. The aerodynamic body lines are subtle but help enhance fuel efficiency while giving the car a slightly more modern appearance. The rear features updated taillights, a neat bumper design, and a subtle roof spoiler that adds a hint of style without being overwhelming. Compact dimensions and a tight turning radius make the Alto K10 ideal for city traffic, narrow lanes, and tight parking spots.